Hi, welcome to the video. My name's Amy and I'm the maker behind Sherbet Studios, and today I want to talk you through how to do a decrease in crochet. Now, a decrease effectively just means decreasing the number of stitches in your row. It's the opposite of an increase. So I have the start of a project here, and what we're going to do to decrease the stitches is we're effectively going to crochet 2 stitches together. So 2 stitches becomes 1 stitch. And to do this, this will be using single crochet as an example. We're going to go into the first stitch and pull through your yarn. Now what you would usually do for a standard single crochet is wrap your yarn over and pull through those 2 loops to finish off the single crochet. However, when we're crocheting 2 together, we want to go into the second stitch and pull through your yarn. So we have 3 loops on our hook, and now we can yarn over and pull through those loops. And as you can see, where we had 2 stitches, we now only have 1 crochet for the next round. So let's try that again in the next 2 stitches. So we go into the first stitch and pull through your yarn, and instead of completing the single crochet here, we go into the second crochet and pull through your yarn. And now we can finish off the decrease by yarning over and pulling through all of the loops on your hook. And again, where we had 2 crochet, we now only have 1. And then one more time, into the first stitch and pull through, into the second stitch and pull through. So we have 3 loops on our hook. And now wrap your yarn around and pull through all 3. And you can already see here where the diameter is shrinking. It's pulling the work up into a bobble shape there. And there we have it. That's 3 decreases we just did. So 1, 2, 3. Where there were 6 stitches, there are now only 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was really helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below, and I'll make sure I get back to every single one. I wish you all the best with your crochet pattern adventures, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!